This is the best accessory I bought for my e-bike so far.
I always wanted a basket. I go to Publix, I go grocery, I go to the pool. I always needed some space to put the groceries or the towels or whatever you want to carry with you. So as you can see, my bike doesn't have a lot of space. So I found one basket in Amazon. It's very easy to install. It sits flat on my bike. It's very steady. And anytime you need it, you just pull the clip and it becomes a basket. Once you're done, you don't need it, you just fold it down, lift it up, put the clip back in, and it's good to go. If you like the basket and you want to buy it, I have a link on the description. Thank you.